Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today's tutorial is going to be how to make the mini bean stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. I have already made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For my test swatch, I started making chains in an even number. I then made my first row in just single crochet. I then started my next row like the row that I'm currently working, and then I made a mini bean, skipped a single mini bean, skipped one single mini bean, and I continued on from there. I then worked just mini beans for my next rows, and I'm going to show you how I would make them with the row that I'm currently working. I do have a video on the regular bean stitch, and I will have that listed down below for you guys so you can be familiar with that. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're actually going to make two chains on your hook over here. Then you are going to start working your mini bean. You're going to insert your hook into the stitch that you want to work. You're going to grab your yarn and you're going to pull it through. You're then going to yarn over your hook, insert your hook into that same stitch again, grab that yarn and pull it through again. You should have 4 loops on your hook. You're then going to yarn over and take that yarn through all 4 of those loops. And then you're going to make one chain, and that's going to be one mini bean stitch. So then you're going to work your next mini bean next to this previous one. So you can see that the bean is right here, and then there's this little space, or this where the little chain was made from the last one. You're going to be working your mini bean right into that space right there, that chain. You insert your hook, grab that yarn and pull it through, yarn over, insert your hook again into that same space, grab that yarn and pull it through. You should have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, take that yarn through all 4 loops, then make one chain. Again, insert your hook into the stitch that you want to work. You're going to grab that yarn and you're going to pull it through, yarn over, insert your hook in that same stitch or space, grab that yarn and pull it through. You should have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, take that through all 4 loops, make one chain. Then you're going to end your row with one chain. If you wanted to keep going, you would make 2 chains right here to turn your row and make another row of mini beans. So that is going to be how to make the mini bean stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here. Have a great day.